Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a few days ago, and I talked extensively about 47 being a very important level of support. And the reason that was important was because the last thing you want to see the price do, assuming you're bullish, is for the price to go back to where it was. Because price movements that are actually bullish and actually powerful are going to make progress forward, right? They're not going to go back to where they were. I'm assuming I insult your intelligence when I say that. And that's what today, why the bulls did actually have a good overall day. I get it pulled back, but for a while, things were looking pretty rough. I mean, the price was actually down below that $47 mark, and had the price continued on downwards, at that point, what would that have done to the price? I mean, that would have literally put the price right back to where it was previous to the nice bounce that it had made a couple days ago. And when, again, prices go back to where they were, back to where bounces started, that's not really a bounce anymore. That's a failed bounce, right? And again, I'm assuming I state the obvious. But in this situation, what I just kind of drew there did not happen, because sure, the price did drop below it, but the bulls did come back and fight back upwards. And by the time the dust had settled, actually got the close on the day right there at 47.47. Now, sure, there's going to be after hours today, and then on Monday, pre-market trading. So where this actually opens up, I don't know. But the key thing remains is, it's all about 47, because, if this bounce here, because there's no doubt about it, this here was a very, very nice bounce. But if this is leading to something bigger, then the price needs to continue to show progress. And so far, so good, because yeah, the price here, violated a little bit. But remember, support resistance levels are not exact specific prices. There is a range element associated with them. So as it stands right now, this general area is holding strong. And if you look at where the previous general area was down there, and then if you picture each of those as stair steps, well, so far so good. These stair steps are still making progress in the upwards direction. So if you haven't connected those dots yet, $47 remains a very important level from the charting perspective. As far as areas of overall resistance are concerned, still all about the pink line up there, the 200 period simple moving average. That's where the price was rejected from yesterday on Thursday. So these are definitely going to be the levels to watch. But all in all, good recovery today on the bulls' part. Now we'll see if the bulls can build upon it next week or not. But yeah, overall, stay above 47. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.